Finding budget motorcycle tires can feel like a gamble, right? You want safety, grip, and performance without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Dunlop D404 Rear Tire 170/80/15. The Dunlop D404 rear motorcycle tire caught my eye right away with its solid reputation and reasonable price of $180.99. If you want reliable performance on your cruiser, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This tire's tread compound balances mileage and grip, ensuring you can enjoy long rides without worrying about wear and tear. With a load index of 77, it's engineered to support your bike while delivering excellent handling. Plus, it fits various older bikes and cruisers, so if you own one, you're likely in luck. What's more, the 170mm section width and 80 aspect ratio provide stability and comfort, making those long stretches on the road much more enjoyable. Over 50 of these tires have been bought recently, highlighting their popularity among riders looking for budget options that don't compromise on safety. Now, some people complained about the tire's performance in wet conditions, stating it could be better. Here's the thing though, while it might not be a rainstorm champion, for casual riders who don't frequently encounter heavy rain, this isn't a deal breaker. It still offers a good grip for most conditions. This is perfect for you if you ride an older cruiser and want decent performance at a fair price. Skip this one if you're frequently riding in heavy rain or require extreme high-performance tires. For the price, it offers decent value for money considering its quality. Now, if the Dunlop D404's potential wet weather performance bothered you, this next product might actually be even better for those in search of all-weather capabilities. Product number 2. Dunlop D404 Rear Motorcycle Tire in 150/80/B16. We have the Dunlop D404 Rear Motorcycle Tire in 150/80/B16, priced at $168.99. If you're looking for a tire that balances comfort and performance, this one deserves your attention. The 150mm section width means more stability, especially when leaning into those corners. It features a bias ply construction that enhances load carrying capacity, which is great if you're planning on taking a passenger or extra gear. The tread pattern is specifically designed for excellent water evacuation, which is critical for maintaining grip in wet conditions. Riders have reported a smoother ride thanks to the offset center groove that enhances straight-line stability. With a speed rating of H, you're looking at reliable performance up to 130 miles per hour, making it suitable for both city cruising and highway journeys. However, a few users mentioned that this tire isn't recommended for Harley-Davidson models, which might be a disappointment for some. But here's the thing, if you don't own a Harley and are looking for a reliable tire for your cruiser or older bike, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you need a dependable tire for your standard cruiser that also offers great wet grip. Skip this one if you have a Harley or if you're seeking ultra performance tires. For the price and performance, it's a solid buy. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want an excellent all-around tire. Product number 3. Dunlop D404 Front Motorcycle Tire 100/90/19. Let's look at the Dunlop D404 Front Motorcycle Tire, priced at $112.99. This tire is a great choice if you're after something that pairs well with its rear counterpart for a balanced ride. With a size of 100/90/19, this front tire is designed to complement the rear D404 tires perfectly. The tread compound offers a solid mix of mileage and grip, ensuring you can ride confidently without frequent replacements. It's also made for older bikes, so if you've got a classic model, this one fits the bill. The load index of 57 ensures that it can handle the weight of the front of your bike, while its design helps in smooth navigation through turns, making your rides more enjoyable. However, some riders reported that it can wear out quicker than expected if you're a heavy rider or if you push your bike hard in corners. Here's the thing. If you ride conservatively and aren't hitting the twisties too aggressively, this shouldn't be a significant issue. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable front tire that matches well with a variety of rear tires. Skip this one if you're a heavy rider or ride aggressively. Considering its price, it's a good value for a reliable front tire. Now, if you're looking for a different take on durability and performance, wait until you see our next pick. Product number 4. Fat Tire for E-Bike Mountain Snow Bike. The Fat Tire for E-Bike Mountain Snow Bike, priced at $69.99, this tire caught my attention for its versatility and rugged build. If you're looking to ride on various surfaces, this 20x4 tire is designed to take on everything from snow to rocky trails. Its extreme durability means you won't be worried about punctures or tears easily, which is a common concern for off-road riders. The design also minimizes drag, so whether you're on hardpack or paved surfaces, you get a reliable ride without feeling weighed down. It's suitable not just for mountain bikes, but also for e-bikes, making it a great all-around option for those who want to explore. Over 100 of these tires have been sold recently, indicating their growing popularity. Some users mentioned that installation can be tricky, especially if you're new to changing tires. But here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the ease of use and the performance you get on varied terrains makes it worth the initial struggle. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tire for multiple bike types and want to tackle different terrains. Skip this one if you're only riding on smooth, paved roads. For the money, it's a fantastic deal for the quality. Alright, that wraps up some solid budget tire options. But if you want something truly unique in terms of support and stability, let's check out our final product. Product number 5. Vevor Motorcycle Stand Lift. We have the Vevor Motorcycle Stand Lift, priced at $69.90. While it's not a tire, it's an essential accessory to keep your bike up and running. This stand can lift up to 850 pounds, making it compatible with most motorcycles from brands like Yamaha to Suzuki. Its sturdy construction ensures that once you lift your bike, it stays put, no sudden drops. If you're someone who does your own maintenance, this is a game changer. The adjustable fork heads allow you to customize the fit for your bike, making it versatile for different models. With four casters, you can easily maneuver it around your garage without the hassle of heavy lifting. Given that over 1,000 units were sold last month, it's clear many riders are finding it useful. However, some users mentioned that assembly could be a little confusing at first. Here's the thing. Once you figure it out, it's utterly worth the ease it brings to maintenance and storage. This is perfect for you if you often do your own bike maintenance and need a reliable stand. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY tasks. For its price, it offers excellent value and quality motorcycle support. And that wraps up our list of the top budget motorcycle tires and accessories. To quickly compare all 5 products, the Dunlop D404 tires are solid for cruisers, while the Fat Tire offers versatility for off-road adventures. The Vevor stand is crucial for maintenance, making it a must-have accessory. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Dunlop D404 rear tire 170/80/15 because it delivers great performance and reliability for the price. Avoid the Dunlop D404 for Harley-Davidson motorcycles as it's not suitable for that brand. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.